Surgical robotics, like the amazing Da Vinci system, help doctors perform surgeries in a way that's much easier on patients. This means less pain and a speedy recovery time after complicated operations. Wow! This cool technology shows just how far we've come in medicine. Now, let's talk about how robotic surgery is getting more popular. Over the years, its use has jumped from 1.8% to a whopping 15.1%. This big jump means that more and more doctors are accepting robots in their work, blending technology with healthcare in exciting new ways. Switching gears to manufacturing, robots are becoming super smart and very flexible. For example, in Hyundai's Smart Factory, there are autonomous mobile robots that help put things together on the assembly line. This really shows us how great automation can be for making things faster and easier. And guess what? With a cell-based system, workers can now focus on building bigger car parts more efficiently. This method makes the whole production process smoother and quicker compared to how things used to be done. Speaking of manufacturing, robotics engineers are super important. They don't just program the robots, they also know about electricity and mechanics. This mix of skills makes their jobs really interesting and essential for today's factories. At Dyson, engineers are busy teaching robots how to help around the house. They use visual clues and simple instructions to show robots how to complete tasks. Isn't that neat? It really shows us how technology is making our homes smarter. When it comes to robotic surgery, it's not just about the machines, the people operating them have a lot of training. Surgeons and nurses worldwide learn to use systems like the Da Vinci robot, making sure they are really good at fixing problems and performing advanced surgeries. This training really helps everyone involved. To become great at robotic surgery, doctors spend time mastering computer simulations, absorbing theoretical knowledge, and practicing their hands-on skills. It takes a lot of time and effort to become independent, but it's so worth it to have skilled surgeons. Robotic surgery is becoming a favorite among younger doctors. Its uses are growing across many areas, like urology, chest, and heart surgeries. This is super exciting because it means more innovative tools for the future of medicine. Having competition in robotics is a good thing. It helps bring down costs and speeds up technology improvements. This friendly competition encourages the creation of special solutions designed to meet different surgical needs. How awesome is that? To be successful, robotic engineers need to mix technical knowledge and programming skills. As technology changes quickly, it's important for them to keep learning and stay curious. That's how they can keep up with all the exciting developments in this field. Finally, when people and robots work together, amazing things can happen. Robots can take care of repetitive tasks, which lets humans focus on the more challenging and creative parts of their jobs, like research and development. Isn't teamwork just the best?